Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a product that's been getting a lot of attention online, the Lenreey Microneedle patch. It's advertised as a non-invasive, painless alternative to injections like Ozempic or Wegovy, claiming to help with weight loss and even type 2 diabetes by using tiny dissolvable microneedles that deliver active ingredients through your skin. Sounds incredible, right? But let's be real. When something sounds that good, it's always worth looking a little deeper. One of the biggest concerns is the complete lack of scientific backing. The company says this patch can replace regulated drugs like semaglutide, but there are no clinical trials, no FDA approval, and no real evidence to support those claims. If this patch truly delivered GLP-1 or anything close to it, it would require prescriptions and strict regulation. But instead, it's being sold online with zero oversight. They even claim the patch works 20 times longer than traditional injections, which honestly sounds biologically impossible. Semaglutide is already long-acting. The idea that a simple patch could outperform it without any scientific proof is hard to believe. What's even more troubling is their use of transformation photos, most of which turn out to be stolen or reused from unrelated websites. That's a classic tactic used to create fake trust. Another red flag is that the patch is sold on multiple websites, like Lenreey.net and Lenreey-2025.com. That kind of setup usually means there's no official, trustworthy source behind the brand. Some of these sites don't even have proper contact info or clear refund policies. And the price? Just $18. That alone should raise eyebrows. Real, approved GLP-1 meds cost hundreds for a reason. They've gone through years of testing and regulation. A cheap patch claiming the same effects just doesn't add up. So be cautious. Always check with a medical professional before trying anything that claims to replace prescription medication.